Tonight, people who live in Bowie are counting their blessings after surviving last night's powerful storm. So far, at least one confirmed tornado, and the cleanup process stretching for miles. Nicole Jacobs spoke with a man who, for the first time in 10 years, had to hunker down in his backyard storm shelter.
In the late night hours, as storms rolled through Bowie,
stuff hitting the building, bang, 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 bang.
76-year-old Bill Miller and his wife took cover.
That's the storm shelter.
In this anchored 8x10 building.
We could feel the wind and the hail and everything else hitting the building.
They sheltered here for more than 2.5 hours with their 5 dogs.
We prayed, and then my wife was scared because she could feel it and hear it.
And while they prayed, strong winds blew their carport 200 yards across the street. In their neighbor's yard, Mark Hasselhoff with Trinity Lutheran Church Disaster Response Team made the 3-hour trip from Tyler to help.
Sometimes these things pop up with no notice, so it really is amazing that nobody was hurt.
At least one confirmed tornado in the area, and this damage left behind uprooted trees, destroyed structures. Officials say 200 homes and 50 businesses could not escape the storm's wrath. Less than 2 miles away, a Best Western crash landing.
Eventually, we just heard like a really loud roar and wind, and everyone just ran.
Delisa Atkinson came to town for a graduation, now leaving with 2 storm-damaged vehicles.
I was shocked. It happened so fast. Whenever we came out, just to see all the cars damaged.
But all of this destruction and not a single injury couldn't be better summed up than this.
We praise God that we're here.
In Bowie, Nicole Jacobs, CBS 11 News.